Started with an MGB GT, 1968. It was my dad's car, handed down from my grandma. I ended up going a little too quick into a corner, putting it into a tree, and it really had a big impact on our family and me and my dad. I'm glad I didn't get hurt, but it ended up being the best thing for us because it allowed us to know how to work together and have a father-son bonding experience. Ended up learning body work. We ended up getting the car to a point where it was a complete car again after, what a tree would do to a car. So this MGA, it's a 1959 Mark I. We got it from a really great family over in Monterey. We didn't want a Concours car. We've always wanted an MGA Roadster. We wanted a rally car, something we can all hop in and drive. It was so fun because our goal was to drive it to Monterey Car Week. So I got it running. I rebuilt the SUs. That was the first time I rebuilt SU carburetors. After driving it for a couple hundred miles, we were thinking, this is the time to upgrade it. So we went with the Works MGA Sebring street style inspired, and so we put the valence and delete the bumpers, and then we put an MGB 1800 with a T9 5-speed with a Weber carburetor, and it's just been such a delight to drive. Regularly take it to work, and it's an incredible experience being able to hop in it, in the morning, fire it up, let it warm up, and then take off out of the suburbs, and then about 5 minutes I'm already on a backcountry road, and it's just a twisty 2-lane California back road, and it's unreal. Just enjoying it, heater on, taking in the visceral mechanical experience of driving this car and the beautiful scenery it is in the misty mornings of California. I would consider it a dream job. I'm very fortunate enough to be a part of a great team, and we all work hard and want to make the company successful and keep these cars on the road. It's definitely on my way. I hope to own my own shop one day, and I feel it's very special to be where I am, and I feel very lucky to carry this torch. Definitely the starting point of my journey ahead, and I'm so excited for the people I'm going to meet and hope more young people want to join this trailblazing with me. Want to be able to change the world and make a difference, because the classic car community, it needs to stay alive. It needs young guys to take over and really keep pushing it in the right direction. This has been such a motivation for me, this MGA, and these cars have definitely brought new life into me that I never would have thought of before the incident with my dad's MGB GT. super excited for the future and where it goes.